folks, good afternoon. We have here one variety of the avocado that we just taken last 2 days ago. Okay, as you can see, the size of this avocado, this is just an ordinary size of this kind of fruit that we have here in Philippines, especially here in Cavite. I will show you one of the biggest avocado that we found recently, as I have said a while ago. That was 2 days ago. Here it goes. I will show it to you. Here we come. It's very difficult. It's very tight because it's a huge one actually. Oh my God, I should have to. Yeah. All right. You see this avocado? As you can see, the size of this is a very huge one. And you see the one that I showed to you. It's a little bit encouraging, you know. It's a big one. It's big, really, it's big. And actually, we have we take some photos last night. We measured here from this point up to this point. It took around 11 inches, I think. And the circumference, the biggest one is 14 inches to be exact. I have some photos taken last night, so I will have to show it to you both. So I will give you a sample. I have a bottle of Emperor Light. You know, this is one of the famous here in Philippines. Kyo, would you mind please? Sure. You see? Zero. You see the difference? Okay, you move around yourself just to make it sure now. Alright, you see? This is the difference between the two avocado. Big one. It's a huge one actually. So hopefully you are enjoying while viewing this movie. I intended that at least you can see the difference between the two avocados that we taken last 2 days ago. Actually, it's almost ripe already. At least maybe a day or two. It will be okay to. What do we say? We can eat already for about 2 days more. So at least, and I hope you got it. This is the big one, the biggest avocado we found here in the Philippines, actually. So I'm Bong Gonzaga. Wishing you all the luck. Hope you can enjoy while viewing this avocado we have. Thanks a lot. Bye.